my beautiful friends. Welcome. Today is the day before Thanksgiving. We're making a pumpkin pie. Now, there's a recipe for making a pie crust on my channel, which you can utilize. So in order to make this video a little shorter, I already made my crust and it's baking in the oven. And just a reminder, the recipe will be on the bottom of the channel. All you have to do is hit more. So let me show you my mise en place. So I have 1 can of the Libby's pumpkin puree. You have to make sure it's the puree. I have 3 eggs. I have half a teaspoon of kosher salt. I have cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. And I'm using this ginger. Okay, set that aside. Now I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Three-quarters of a cup of brown sugar. And here's my secret. 2 tablespoons of Harvey's Bristol cream. Now, here's the bottle of Harvey's Bristol cream. It's the best. So let's get started. Sugar in. Okay, I'm gonna put the spices in. And the salt. Oh, this smells good already. We're going to add them one at a time. cherry in. Here's my pie crust that I made. And I baked it for about 15 minutes. So we're gonna pour this into the pie crust. Now the oven is already heated up at 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake this pie for 60 minutes. So here we go. We'll be back in an hour when it's done. Okay, everyone, our pumpkin pie is ready. Here we go.
Oh my. Is that for me tomorrow? Everybody else gonna eat something else?
Now, usually I would taste my pies, but this is too hot to cut, first of all. And secondly, it's made for Thanksgiving, which is tomorrow, so I can't cut my pie ahead of time. I cut it when the guests arrive. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a lovely Thanksgiving. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.